First, let's master the most important one, つ. You can use this for almost any object with a shape from onigiri and bread to umbrellas. As a universal counter for items from 1 to 10, let's practice. 1つ、2つ、3つ、4つ、5つ、6つ、7つ、8つ、9つ and 10 is と. You can only use つ for object. You cannot use it for living things like people or animals. For example, to count people, we use a different counter, 人. So remember, つ is for things only. Next, let's look at specific shapes. First is 本. We use this for long cylindrical objects like bottles of tea or umbrellas. The pronunciation can be tricky. 一本、二本、三本. But for now, just remember, long objects equal 本. Next is 枚. Use this for a thin, flat object. If the clerk asks if you need a plastic bag, you can say 一枚お願いします. One bag, please. It sounds very natural. Look at these tea bottles. How would you count them? The answer is 3本. But of course, 3つ is also perfectly fine. How about these two plastic bags? The answer is 2枚. Great job! Here is a summary of what we covered. Feel free to take a screenshot and use it on your next trip to Japan. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe.